Here is a Panasonic Auto-Stop pencil sharpener, or the point getter, the sacapuntas, as we say in the Spanish. This is the Panasonic electric pencil sharpener, model KP-310. Holds 1.2 amps at 120 volts. It was made in Thailand. This was sent to me by the letter H, or the letter X, I think somebody called them in one of the previous videos where I mentioned it. I saw one of these units at a vacation house a number of years ago. It was the same house that had a bunch of those rare fans. It had that weird second generation Lakewood 223, that really thin one. And it also had the Sears high velocity VN, and had something else to it. It had the so like an early Lasco, I guess would have been a premium or a weather shield, with the Marco motor. It was the one that had the Hampton Bay Gebebzer ceiling fan upstairs, and the Hampton Bay Farmington in the living room. Was that house. Anyways, I was at that vacation house, and I was writing something. I can't imagine what I was writing on vacation, but I was writing something and a pencil went flat. And so I was looking around for a sharpener, and I found this one in the drawer, and I used it, and I could not believe the point that it produced. It was absolutely incredible. It was the sharpest point I think I've ever seen. This is probably I would guess a 90s or a 2000s product. It's not polarized, so I tend to think it's a little bit older, but the styling certainly isn't all that old. I'll go ahead and plug this thing in here. The cord is very short, and it can't be more than 3 or 4 feet. I don't know, let's see here, something's a little funny about the way this opens. There it goes. It's kind of a small drawer, and then you can see the mechanism in there. Looks like it's only got one blade. Let's see if it'll power on with power off. Yeah, I guess it will. It's quite substantially out of balance. I'm surprised they don't use these 2 points. That's very sharp. They should use 2 blades. It wouldn't be as out of balance. Anyways, let's put this back and let's watch this thing operate, because it's incredible. So here's the pencil here. It's pretty much flat. Here we go. There's the auto-stop. It's very slow. I'll give it that much. Very, very slow. But look at that point. I mean, it's actually sharp to the touch. That is really something. Panasonic definitely made some really good sharpeners back in the day. I think the other one I have is quite a bit faster, but it doesn't make the points quite as sharp as this one does. So I guess that's all there is to show about this one. I'll set this up somewhere. Probably take it apart and oil everything in there and make sure it's good to go. I use pencils quite a bit, so I'll definitely get some use out of this.